Look at that, everyone. So the jollof is just bubbling up. A good vibe. So look, we've got all our base there ready. So yeah, I'll add a little.
Yo! Like, I know how to cook, yeah? But I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo! I need the rice, I need the food, I need the chicken. My belly started rumbling, the food was feeling licking. The food was full enough, the bowl is ready for the picking. Now Ringo at the vision with 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour.
Wagwan, everybody. So you know, today I'm just preparing for a private event for Black History. Have a look and see some of the vegetables which I've got here. I'm chopping up onions, I'm chopping up peppers, carrots and scallion, and I've also got other vegetables to chop up as well, everyone. But this one here is particularly for the steamed cabbage people, so you can come in a little bit closer and see what I'm doing. I'm just cutting up the onions and dicing them up in nice little square cubes. And this is perfect for vegan, vegetarian, ITIL, non-meat, non-fish. This is the perfect ingredient for you, everybody. If you don't eat meat, if you don't eat fish, come and check out Ringo, because he's got a dish for you that is perfect with nice flavors, aromas, running chew, mouth-watering, delicious. You know what time it is, people. It's 24-hour kitchen, you know, cooking with Ringo Vision, people. Yeah, man, are good vibes. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Come and have a look and see how these onions are getting chopped up. So our good vibes, it's onion vibes right now, people. So I'm just chopping the onions, then placing them here. So back to the camera again in a few minutes when I start the other carrots and stuff like that. Yeah, so you've seen what I'm doing with the onions. So yeah, a good vibes. Okay. They're chopped. Transform them over into the onion. We're just gonna be mixing everything in. Yellow peppers as well. Then I put them all together in a bunch and chop them up into little square cubes. Are good vibes. Add them over here into the onion. We've got a layer of colours going in now. Slowly, as you can see, got a transformation of colours. So you know, so things are starting to look pretty. So last pepper is the green one. Green light. Good vibes. You smell the flavors. Each different pepper has a different flavor. All carrying their own unique individual flavor, people. So what we've got here now, we've got the colors going in. We've got onion based. We've got peppers running across the top. Chopping the rest of the peppers. The last of the green peppers, everyone. So yeah, man, a good vibe. If you like what you see, people, it's a healthy vibration right now. If you like what you see, just go and subscribe, go and do the right thing. A good vibe. You're outside. So these are scallion. Lay it across the top. You hear that crunch, everyone? You hear that? good vibes. And what we've got in here as well, we've got some garlic. So let's get them up. So good vibes, garlic chop up. So yeah, we've got a nice selection, range, flavors. All of this is flavors, everybody. So what we're gonna start doing now, the carrots. Just get them cut in the middle. You have to be careful when cutting carrots, as carrots are round and they tend to continue to move around on the cutting board. So carrots can be quite a tricky one, everyone. So yeah, be careful when cutting carrots. Less simple. Simple cut for the carrot, everybody. So we've got all our carrots here. We've got our peppers, red, golden, green. We've also got our onions in there. We've also got our scallion in there. We've got our garlic in there, people. So yeah, man, our good vibes. What we're gonna do is gonna pour this on top. Go. Conclusion. Wrap this up. Yes, everybody, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Quick chopped vegetables. Yeah, man, quickly chopped vegetables, everybody. Yeah, carrots, onion, peppers. You want to make any form of steamed vegetables, any form of ito, any form of vegan, any form of vegetarian. This is what you need. Some of this good chopped vegetables here. Creating natural flavors, sweetness, and yeah, good vibes. We're outside. Wait. People, we're in the kitchen, yeah, and we have a debate because look, mad. All right, look, I just needed the dumpling, yeah, for fried dumpling, yeah, and I put it in the bag, yeah. So my virgin now, I said to me, say, all right, this is heavier than the bag of dumpling, 4 kilograms.
This is the dumpling. This dumpling is heavier than the weight.
Dumpling heavier than the weight. Yeah. Nah, so people, if you want to see the episode, yeah, big things are going on in the kitchen, people. Bare things. Yeah, jerk chicken or whatnot, yeah. 24-hour kitchen and all-star catering, yeah. We're up on a madness right now, people, yeah. Outside. Everyone, so we're here. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, just this one is for a function, a private function. So I've got the plant in here. I've got 2 buckets of jerk chicken, people, yeah. Not as much as 300 kilos, but we're on our way. Yeah, man, we've got 2 buckets today, people. Also, we've got some more ingredients. We've got the peas here on the fire, boiling up, everyone, for rice and peas. So it's rice and peas and jollof rice, people. You ain't seen jollof rice on the program, but we're gonna be making some jollof rice today, people. Yeah, man, a good vibes. And guess what? We're gonna be making some fruit punch as well, everyone. So our good vibes. Yeah, man. And guess what as well, everyone? So we've got all our chopped vegetables, them chopped up already. So in here, as you saw earlier, all the vegetables that I was chopping up, they're now all chopped and prepped. Here, the cabbage, everything is in here, ready to go, everybody. And we've also got, come on over. How much do you think this weighs? So this is all the dumpling that I kneaded up, and I put it in a bag to just set, to let the dough set. So we're gonna also be making some fried dumplings today, people. I'm gonna be frying all of this fried dumpling, a good vibe. So if you can guess the weight of the bag of dumpling, yeah, man, let me know, people. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision, people. Yeah, we're there, we're outside. Yeah, man, it's a good vibration, people. Yeah, we're gonna be cooking up a storm today. Yeah, man, we're gonna be on our way to the event, and you're gonna see him when we pull up. Yeah, man, and we're gonna be serving our guests today, people. So yeah, man, our good vibes. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode, everybody. Yeah, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Respect. Just added a Scotch bonnet pepper to the water or the peas. The peas is just bubbling up said way. Yeah, man, our good vibes. So making the jollof rice, blending up the garlic and 3 onions. Good vibes. Pepper. Going to use 3 of these today, people. Yeah, good vibes, and they're nice long. These are the long red. Yeah, one just need pepper, good vibes, people. Right, everybody, so you just add the thyme. So what we're gonna be doing now, we're gonna pour this into all our blend roll. Look at that. All our blended ingredients all going in the pan at one time, creating an amazing, the flavors already. From the tiny little bit of garlic, peppers, them are going in there, Scotch bonnet, onions, everything's infused, people. Yeah, man, if you like what you see, people, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like. Yeah, man, share it with your friends and family. Yeah, it's a good vibration, people, yeah. So you don't say, yeah, we just have to prepare the jollof rice, people, yeah. A good vibe, so we're just frying up. Instead of boiling out all of your fried onions and chopping them up big, we're just blending them up today so that, you know, we get straight into it, people. Our good vibes. See, man, over here, so I must have to hold on the kitchen, you know, man. Take time, my brother. Man, I watch one look and sit down and it coming like, what?
You put the box up there, you know.
Alright, a good vibe. Yo! So all the chopped peppers and the onions and the garlic and the thyme is all just frying up slowly in the pan. I'm gonna add a bit of tomato puree in a second, people. Yeah, man, our good vibes. And then we'll add a little bit of water and just let it just go and simmer for a little while, and then, you know, we'll start preparing our rice to go in. And look at this, we've got the rice and peas over here going on its own thing as well, with Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme floating around. We're gonna add some coconut milk to the rice and peas in a little while as well. Jollof rice, rice and peas. Yeah man, are good vibes. If you can notice, there's been a transformation of the pots, because we're making the jollof rice in a smaller pot, the rice and peas in a bigger pot, because there's a lot more peas that's been boiled. So I've realised that this pot is a little bit too small for it. So I've good vibes. So I just done a quick transformation. We'll be using the all-purpose seasoning mix today, people, by Ringo, the Ringo mix. Yeah man, so our good vibes. If you ain't already got one of these, get one of these. Our good vibes. I'm gonna be adding some tomato puree. The tomato puree that I'm using is coming like a tube, like a toothpaste. Yeah man, are good vibes. What I'm gonna be doing now is just mix it in. Add a tip of water from the kettle. Flavors now coming, formulating Jellof Rice. Some more water. Look at that everyone, so the jollof is just bubbling up. A good vibe. So look, we've got all our base there ready. So yeah, I'll add a little bit more water a little bit later. That's it. And I'll just be adding my rice, everybody. So let's check up on the rice and peas. The peas is there, said way. Yeah man, a good vibes. Jollof rice and peas. Add the Dunn's River coconut milk to the rice and peas. A good vibes. Look at all that creamy, frothy milk frothing up on top. A good vibes, everybody. I'm just gonna stir that in and out. Ah, look at that. We've got it now, yeah. So we've got the coconut milk, we've got the thyme, the garlic, everything in there. The peas boiling up. So yeah man, and over here we've got the the jollof rice. So good vibes, people. Yeah man, rice and peas, jollof rice. Just pulling up to our location now. Good vibes. Just get him on camera.
It's alright, you gotta test it, man. You gotta test it.
Alright, people, you don't know, so yeah, we're outside. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Yes, everybody, so got everything, the chicken out here, so big bag, almost finished, end of the day, 24-hour kitchen, dumplings finished. Great day, great event, people. Yeah man, thank you very much everybody that stayed tuned with this episode. I know it was a short and sweet one, but yeah man, 24-hour kitchen, we did it again outside. Yeah man, it's our good vibes. Thank you very much everybody for staying tuned with this episode. Yeah man, don't forget to like, comment and what? Subscribe.